Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Playwright browser actions. Let's get started. So in the last video, we have discussed how we can launch the browser, right? So for this example, I'm going to create a new file and I'll give the file name as browser actions dot spec dot ts. Okay. So I'll copy paste the same lines of code. So we have discussed how we can launch the browser. This is one approach, and we have another approach, that is, instead of writing these two lines directly, we can get this page picture from the Playwright. So what I'll do, I'll copy this page. We are going to accept that page picture in the method, and I'll remove these two lines. So even in this case also, it will launch the browser. So this time I have to execute this particular script. So I'll copy the path, and then so we have the command, right? And then we have npx playwright test, paste it, hyphen hyphen, headed. So it will get executed in the headed. No test found. It is because of the backward slash. So instead of backward slash, we have to use forward slash. Now let's see whether it will get executed or not. So you can see one test is getting executed. It is launching the browser and then close. So this is also one approach. Directly we can get the page picture from Playwright. So once after launching the browser, what is the next step? We have to navigate to our website, right? So for that, what we have to do here is we have to write page dot go to. Okay, so page dot go to, and inside this method we have to pass the URL as an argument. Okay, so URL, it should be in the form of string. So for this example, I'm going to take Instagram official website. So directly we'll navigate to instagram.com, copy this URL, and then I'll pass that in the double quotes. Okay, so now it will navigate to your Instagram page. So let's see whether it is getting executed or not. After navigating, I'll give some wait. So we have missed one more thing, that is await keyword, right? We have to give that await keyword for your playwright methods. Save, and then again I am going to run the same command. It will launch the browser. After 2 seconds it will navigate to your Instagram page. Again it will wait for 2 seconds and then close. So this is how we can navigate to this page. So once after navigation, we have some couple of things here. So if you navigate to this website, so you are seeing the page title. So here the page title is Instagram, and then you have the URL, right? Instagram.com. So we can fetch this title and URL using your playwright methods, which we will use for assertion further. Now, once after navigating to your Instagram page, we have to fetch the title. So I'll tell page dot title. So now when we mouse over on this, so you can see method is title and the return type of this method is string. Okay, it's a promise and it will return the title of the page in the format of string. So I'm going to store that in a variable, and I'll give the variable name as page title. Okay, so here also we have to use await keyword. Then after page title, we have to fetch the URL, right? Page.url. Now, if you see here, this method is also going to return string. So I'm going to say await URL. Okay, so it will return string. and again we have to store that in a variable. So I'll give the variable name as page, or I'll give it as current URL. So we have stored inside a variable. After that we have to print it. For printing we are going to use console.log. Console.log, and inside this I'm going to say page title, okay, and then dollar, inside curly braces I'm going to give the variable name here, page title. After that, same way we have to print the URL also. So I'm going to follow the same approach. I'll tell current URL and dollar, inside curly braces I'm going to paste the URL. We are going to make use of page.goto to navigate to the website, then page.title to fetch the title of the web page, page.url to fetch the URL of the web page. After that, console.log to print the title and URL, and then it will close the browser. So whenever you are making the changes, you have to save it. Okay, so control yes, and then again I'm going to run the same script. So now observe how it will get executed. See, it is navigating to your Instagram web page and then close. If you observe here, page title, that is Instagram, current URL, again it is showing current URL only. So here the mistake is, instead of dollar I have used and symbol. So let me replace it with a and symbol. Save, and then again I'll run the same script. It will fetch the title and URL, then close. So you can see page title is Instagram, current URL is this one. So this is how you can fetch the page title and URL using your Playwright methods. Now, so once after this, what I have to do here is, see, when you open the browser, so you'll be able to see these options, right? Navigate back, forward, and reload. So even we can perform these actions using your Playwright methods. So let me show you guys how you can perform these actions using your Playwright methods. So now let us give some weight once after fetching these two details. After that, what I'll do, again I'll navigate to a different web page. So I'll tell page dot go to, and this time we are going to navigate to a different web page. So I'll say Facebook. Okay, so copy this URL and then paste it here. So I'll give some wait statements just to observe the execution. Okay, normally we will not make use of wait statements. So here again we have to use await. So now what it will do, it will navigate to your Facebook page. So once after navigating to your Facebook page, I'll reload the web page. So page dot, we have a method called reload. So what it will do, it will reload the web page. So it will perform the actions in the same way when we click on this. So it is reloading the web page, right? So I'll give await here. Now, after reloading the web page, so what I have to do here is I have to navigate back. Okay, I have to navigate back. So for that, I'll tell await page dot go back. So this method is used to navigate back. After navigating back, again I'm going to give 2 seconds of delay. Okay, so if we don't give delay, it will execute within a fraction of seconds. So we won't be able to see the execution. So I'll tell page dot go forward. Sorry. So page dot go forward. So this will navigate forward, and then we'll wait for 2 seconds. After that, we are closing the browser here. Okay, so this is how it will get executed. So once after navigating to your Instagram page, again it will navigate to your Facebook page, wait for 2 seconds, reload the web page, navigate back, and then it will navigate forward. So once after performing all these actions, it will close the browser. Okay, so I have not saved the changes, so I'll save this file, and then we have to run this script. So it is navigating to your Instagram page, and then Facebook, reload. Again, it will navigate back to your Instagram page, navigate forward to Facebook, then it will close. So this is how you can make use of the basic browser action methods which Playwright provides. Okay, so this is very basic. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn more about the browser actions. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.